Hello everyone, I am Sagar Jumde from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Government Polytechnic Khamgaon. Welcome you all in this video lecture series for the course Electronics Measurement and Instrumentation. In this video series, we are going to learn Unit 1 of Electronic Measurement and Instrumentation, that is Fundamentals of Electronics Measurements. And this video is dedicated to the topic dynamic characteristics of measurements and types of errors. In the previous lecture, we have learnt about classification of characteristics of measurement, definition of static and dynamic characteristics, and explanation of different types of static characteristics. Now this lecture 3 is in this we are going to see dynamic characteristics of measurement and types of errors. After watching this video, the learners will be able to classify characteristics of measurements, define dynamic characteristics of measurements, explain different types of dynamic characteristics, classify different types of errors in measurements, and explain different types of errors in measurement. Characteristics of measurement. In the previous lecture also we seen characteristics of measurement. The performance characteristics are indication of quality of the instrument. The performance characteristics are broadly divided into two categories. First is static characteristics, which is studied in previous lecture, and second is dynamic characteristics. Now in this video lecture we see dynamic characteristics. In some processes, the quantity to be measured rapidly changes with respect to time. In such cases, the dynamic characteristics of instruments are considered. Dynamic characteristics are defined for the instruments which measure quantities which rapidly changes with respect to time. Types of dynamic characteristics. The main dynamic characteristics are as follows. There are four types. First is speed of response. Second is fidelity. Third is lag. And last is dynamic error. We will see one by one. First dynamic characteristics is speed of response. Speed of response is defined as it is the ability of systems or instrument to respond to sudden changes in the input signal or quantity. Second dynamic characteristics is fidelity. It is the degree to which an instrument indicates the changes in the measured value without dynamic error. Means indication of how much faithfully system responds to the changes in input. Third dynamic characteristics is lag. It is the delay in response of an instrument to make changes in the measured quantity. Last is dynamic error. It is the difference between the true value of a quantity with time and the value indicated by the instrument if no static error is assumed. These are the dynamic characteristics of instruments. Now let us move towards the errors in the measurements. Measurement can never be carried out with complete accuracy. Hence, it is important to study the errors in the measurements. For measurement of any quantity with accuracy, it is essential to know the different errors that may occur during measurement. Errors are classified as there are three types of errors. First is gross error, second is systematic errors, and third is random errors. We will see one by one. So first type of error is gross errors. These errors occur due to human mistakes. in reading or using instruments and in recording and calculating measurement results are known as gross errors. These errors are also called as personal errors because these errors occur due to human mistakes. Example of gross error: due to oversight, experimenter may read the temperature as 32.5 degrees Celsius instead of actual temperature is 22.5 degrees Celsius. It is because of observation of human or because of personal errors. Corrective measures for gross errors: immense care should be taken in reading and recording the data. At least 3 readings should be taken for the quantity under measurement, preferably by different experimenter. Second type of error is systematic errors. These errors are referred to as fixed errors. These errors are due to shortcomings of the instruments, such as defective parts, effect of surrounding environment on the instrument, or by user improper setting conditions. These are further divided into 3 types: instrumental errors, environmental errors, observational errors. We will see one by one. First systematic errors is instrumental error. These errors occur due to tolerances in the component value, due to incorrect setting, faulty assembly, and their mechanical structure. Example of instrumental error is: if the spring of a permanent magnet instrument has become weak, the instrument will always read high. Corrective measures to reduce systematic errors: the procedure of measurement must be carefully planned. Correction factors should be applied after determining the instrumental error. The instrument may be recalibrated carefully. Second type of systematic errors is environmental errors. These errors occur due to external surrounding conditions to the measuring instrument, such as temperature, pressure, humidity, dust, vibrations, external magnetic or electrostatic field, etc. Example of environmental error: improper reading of instrument because of surface vibrations. And corrective measures to reduce environmental errors are: make sure to keep the surrounding conditions constant. Use proper magnetic shielding and apply computed corrections. Third and last type of systematic errors is observational errors. These errors occur due to carelessness of observer, wrong scale reading, and wrong recording of data. Example of observational error: parallax error occurs when the line of vision of the observer is not exactly above the pointer. And the corrective measures to reduce observational errors are: immense care should be taken in reading and recording the data, and use modern electronic instruments having digital display of output. Third type of errors is random errors. These errors occur due to unknown causes and remain even after systematic and gross errors have been removed. They are accidental, small, and independent. Their variance is totally unpredictable. Example of gross error: measuring your height is affected by minor posture changes. And the corrective measures to reduce these random errors: using an average measurement from a set of measurements. Now there are some sample multiple choice questions with answers based on this topic. You can go through it. With this, we come to end of this lecture 3. Let us summarize. In this lecture, we learned about classification of characteristics of measurements, definition of dynamic characteristics of measurement, explanation of different types of dynamic characteristics, classification of different types of errors in measurement, and explanation of different types of errors in measurement. So with this, we have come to end of this video lecture 3. I thank you all for being here. If you have any queries, suggestions or comments, kindly contact me on my email ID or mobile number. Thank you.